let us take a quick dive into CSS Colours. Basically, there are a lot of ways in which you can describe or define colors in CSS. The first one we are going to tackle is by the names of the colors or by color names. So we have looked at these color names in our previous examples. There are more color names. There are about 140 different colors found in HTML, and a lot of them, or almost all of them, have color names. So tomato is a color name, Dodger blue is a color name, medium sea green is also a color name. There are more, and we have looked at them. We'll also practice them soon in our VS Code. The next one is going to be RGB values, and the RGB stands for red, green, and blue. So this equation signifies the proportion of red, green, and blue in the color you have defined. And this range is from 0 to 255, where 255 means the 255 is the highest number, where 0 means there is none of that color. So in a situation where we have 255, 0, 0, it means that the color that is going to display is red, because in RGB we have red, green, and blue. So we have 255 units of red, 0 units of blue, 0 units of green, and 0 units of blue. So this color is going to be red. The next one, which is 02550, is going to be green, because we have none of red, full color of green, and none of blue here as well. And the last one is going to be 00255, which is going to be blue, because 0 red, 0 green, and 255 of blue. Now, there's also another layer, which is the RGBA. The RGBA adds an extra layer of transparency to the color. And so, instead of specifying 3 values, here you are going to pick 4 different values. And the last value, which is the alpha channel, which specifies the transparency of your color, ranges from 0 to 1. So you have your red, which is 255, and then 0.5 of the A means half transparent or 50% transparent. And then 1, when the alpha is 1, it's just as if there was no alpha channel. And so you are going to have the full color. And if the alpha channel is 0, it means that the text or the item is going to be fully transparent. And so you might not see the color you have selected. So let's walk into our VS Code and try our hands on our color names and RGB and RGBA values. So here, let's have colors.html. Let's go again. HTML colors. So we can have an H2 opening text. Let us specify our colors here. Very good to put it in the style between the head. No, not strong, but rather style.